Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Grumble from Doors. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large curve up and back down like this. And then a curve across at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eyes. At the bottom, let's draw a curve up, and the same on the right side. And then a curve across to close it off. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve up, and then another curve on top. Now in the space in between, let's draw two curves going down. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw some details to the head. Next to the left eye in the center here, let's draw two small circles. Now let's hop up and let's draw an oval with a curve on top and on the bottom. And now let's draw two more in the same way on the top left. And two on the top right. And then one more on each of the bottom corners. And that's it for the top section of the head. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Underneath each side, let's draw a small curve down. And then a curve across. Now underneath, let's draw the top row of teeth. In the center, let's draw two curves near the top. Then bring it down in the center and from the sides. And then a curve across to close off each tooth. Now on the sides, let's draw another curve up at the top and bring it down. And then curve it back in at the bottom. And now let's draw two more teeth on both sides, getting smaller as we go. And that's it for the top row of teeth. Now let's move down and let's draw the bottom row. Let's start with a large curve across underneath. And then another curve inside. Now for each of the teeth, let's draw a curved square shape going down and back up, working our way out. And then to finish off the head, let's draw another curve underneath. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now let's add the pieces coming out. Let's start on the top left and let's draw 2 angles going down and out. And then angle it back up. Up again. And then close it off with a point. Now let's add the next one on the top right. For this one, let's draw 2 angles going up. Bring it out to the right. Angle it back down. And again, close off the end with a point. Now let's add the 2 at the bottom. On the bottom left, let's bring it down. Angle it out to the left. And again. And close it off at the end. Now top over and let's draw the last one on the right side. Let's start with 2 angles going out. Bring it down. Angle it back in. And then close off the end with a point. And that's it for Grumble. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!